Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to our daily Quran class. Today we are learning verses 7 or 8. Let's focus on the Tajweed rules to recite correctly and beautifully. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Khatamallahu ala qulubihim wa ala sam'ihim wa ala absarihim ghishawa wa lahum azabun azim. Tafkheem of the word Allah. In Khatamallahu, the Lam is the majestic name of Allah is preceded by a Fatah Zabar, so it must be pronounced heavy and thick. Rule of Meem Sakin is Izhar-e-Shafawi. In qulubihim ala sam'ihim, the Meem Sakin is followed by wa. You must pronounce the Meem clearly without a nasal sound. Wa minan nasi man yaqulu amanna billahi wa bil yawmil akhir wa ma hum bimu'minin. Idgham. In man yaqulu, the Noon Sakin is followed by ja, which is a Yarmooloon letter, so it is a merge with a nasal sound Ghunnah. Rule of Meem Sakin Ikhfa-e-Shafawi. In hum bimu'minin, the Meem Sakin is followed by ba, so you hide the Meem lightly with a soft nasal sound.